How's it going, everybody? Today we're going to be talking about the locked-in effect. And what in the world is that? Well, the locked-in effect is, simply put, it is a situation where homeowners feel like they're locked in because they took advantage of the amazing rates that we had just a few short years ago. I don't know if you all recall, but we have people out there with 4%, 3%, and even sub 3% rates. And those people are reluctant to move. And who blames them? Who could blame them? Whenever you have a rate that is that low, you feel kind of stuck, right? So even if it's not the home of your dreams, even if your family has changed a little bit in the dynamic, a lot of these people feel like they can't move because they're going to lose that rate. In fact, about 80% of homeowners right now have a rate that is below the national average. So, that is an absolutely astronomical number compared to years past. And this has created a unique market where a lot of sellers feel like they can't sell, at least not in the near future, because they're reluctant to get those newer rates. But what does it mean here in Florida specifically? Well, in Florida, we have a bit of a different market in that we still have a ton of new construction going on. So, whereas in some markets, because of this locked in effect, buyers might have a difficult time finding product on the market, a home to buy, because so many sellers are reluctant to sell and trade that rate. We have a lot of new construction here where buyers are still going to have great options. And of course, we still have a lot of inventory on the market. A lot of sellers are still having to move because life happens. Even if you have a great rate, if your job tells you you need to move or you got to move for family reasons, well, doesn't matter what that rate is, you got to move. So we do still have a lot of inventory and a lot of options, making it a great opportunity for buyers. In other markets where they might not have that level of inventory, where they might not have that selection, well, you got it here in abundance in Florida. So it's a great market for buyers to take advantage of here in Florida. And if you are a seller and you feel locked in, well, you should reach out to your trusted real estate advisor. Find out, well, what does that look like for you? Is there any way that we can offset this, or perhaps maybe just time will tell? What kind of timeline is it going to take for those rates to drop, or for it to be preferential for you to put your home on the market if you're feeling locked in and your home isn't quite what you need it to be today? Of course, if you're here in Central Florida, I'm happy to be that trusted real estate advisor. Just give me a shout and we'll go over your specific circumstance, whether you're looking to buy or to sell. And as always, if you find value in this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks so much.